Alright guys, you're welcome to this video. This is a full body installation video you can see on your system. Please, there's a disclaimer here. This is strictly for educational purpose. Alright, whatever thing you do with it, I'm not liable to that. Alright, this is for educational purpose only. Okay, now that being said, if you want this particular software to be installed on your system, there is a criteria for that. Your system must be a gaming laptop, NVIDIA RTX GeForce. Alright, it can be 40 series. Alright, 40 series and a dedicated gigram of either 8 or 6 dedicated gigram. Alright, so that is how it goes. So these are the kind of laptop that it works on. And also you need a good ring light and a good network to use it. Alright, most especially have a good ring light after the installation. Alright, so once that is done, you can have the installation like this. Okay, so you can use it to make your calls. Alright, if you want to make call, you can need once this installed like this. Alright, once the software is installed on your system, then you can power it with OBS. Like you can see here, this OBS, it has already been fixed, everything has already been set up. So all you need to do is to start virtual camera and you are good to go. All right, and you are good to go. So if you need this particular software to be installed on your system, all you need to do is to reach out to me via the number showing on the description of this video. All right, there's a number there showing the description of this video. Just reach out to me and I will help you install this particular software on your system, and you can make your calls with anything. You can make calls, you can drink tea, you can remove cap, you can wear cap, and all of that thing. So it can be done for you. So reach out to me and it will be installed for you. Thank you so much and see you in my next video.